Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Farah and I am back with a new tutorial on how to find products to sell on Amazon. The first stage is you need to figure out the demand, what are people searching for, and see what products are being presented by Amazon for those particular search terms that people are putting in. So that's what you need to find first. Because if you have no idea what you're going to sell, then you actually need to see like what are actually people buying from this marketplace. That's what you need to figure out first. So the thing is not just to find product, but also validate the idea too. And this is not something that I want to do in one really long video, like a half an hour, 40 minutes video. So what I've decided is I want to split this into 3 separate small videos, and it's going to be a little series. And we're going to find the products and validate the idea, and then look into how we can source those products. I'm just trying to give you a bit of an overview so you know what to expect. In today's video, I'm going to use the app called Keywords Everywhere, and that's the one I use to figure out what people are searching for, what exact phrases are they putting in. So this is Keywords Everywhere. It's you can install it for Google Chrome or Firefox, and it's an extension or add-on, whatever you want to call it. We will only need the monthly search volume data from this. You don't need to worry about the cost per click and any additional data it's giving you. And let me quickly show you the pricing. So this is a paid app, and you will need to add the $10 credit, and 1 credit will be equal to 1 keyword search. So a $10 credit is going to last you a really long time, so that will be enough. This functionality is available in Helium 10, but I wanted to use this app Keywords Everywhere because it's very simple to use, and just because of the simplicity, I wanted to start from this. Keywords Everywhere is a paid app, but for all its functionality, I think it's amazing because for, I think, a $10 credit, you can have keyword data for a lot of the platforms like Amazon, Etsy, eBay. So I will quickly show you what it looks like and what credits you need to buy and what settings you need to put in. This is what it will look like once you've installed this, and you'll have to go into settings. And you'll have to validate the API key, which they will provide you. Make sure you set the country to global. So the other thing, you need to make sure that you click the data source, right? So I want you to make sure that it's clicked on Google Keyword Planner and the clickstream data as well. And after this, these metrics come in preset, so don't touch them. The supported websites now, you can unclick the ones that you're not going to use. We're going to use this for Amazon mainly, but you can, if you want to do product research in other places like eBay as well, you can leave it clicked on. These settings, make sure the metrics are shown for autocomplete drop-down menus too, for like Amazon, Bing, and eBay and Etsy. And under the search box, because it's more easier to read that way. That's pretty much all you need to do. A $10 credit is going to last you a really long time, so that's why I suggest that you just buy and start using this app. So now that we have this out of the way, let's start with stage 1 on how do we figure out what to sell on Amazon and how do you actually start this process. So we're going to start with the term hair clippers, because this is one of the highly searched terms because of the pandemic. So notice what kind of data that's coming up. So for hair masks, it's 180,000 searches per month. For hair scissors, it's 40,500 searches per month. That's really high volume. So a lot of people, this means a lot of people are looking for these products. And you can just choose from this, like, okay, what can I source? Think in those terms. So for example, for hair clippers set, it's 1,900 searches per month. And then there's some lower volume. But yeah, let's type in the full term and see what comes up. Okay, just for the sake of data, I'm just going to click on the hair clippers set and see what products Amazon shows for this search term. Okay, here we are. So this is this is a paid brand sponsored placement, so we're not going to focus on that. Let's scroll down. Even the first few search results are sponsored, which means people, private labels, are paying to be in this place, which means this is a very, very busy search term that people are, happy to pay to be on the page one for this. Let's go down. And if you notice, you will see that there are no major brands showing, and it's a lot of private label. There's only one Braun showing, that's about £40. But you want to make note of prices, which is roughly about £25 and over, between £25 and £40. The Braun set was for £40. But yeah, like this could be the one idea that shows potential. So let's change the term here, and I'm going to try for resistance bands because it's a highly searched term. As you can see, it's 300 and 1,000 monthly searches are being done for this phrase alone, which tells you a lot of people are looking for this. And let's see what products Amazon is showing for this search term. So if you just ignore the first few sponsored ads and products showing, there is a lot of, again, private labels. In fact, it's all private label. There is no major brand other than if you showing for this. The sponsored products, let's just take them out of the way. But just notice the prices people are selling them for, and you want to look at the quality of listing, and you want to take notes from this, that okay, if I was to source this product or create a listing, what would I do? I've also made a list of 5 top search terms that people are using and have used in the month of May, so make sure you click the link below and download that little one-page PDF. It can be one of the hardest things to figure out, like what can I sell on this platform where there are millions and billions of products. For any given time in the year, you want to think a bit strategically, what kind of weather you're in, what season it is, whether it's summer or winter. Also, you want to think about trends like, for example, now we are going through this pandemic where there are certain things like face masks or health, hygiene things are really high in demand. But last year it wasn't the same. So you want to think current trends, what's happening all around you, what kind of things you're looking for as a consumer, and whatever is true for yourself, you can take that as a starting point and think that, okay, if I'm looking for those things, then I'm sure there are other people out there who are also looking for those same kind of things. So you can just start with something that you would go on Amazon and look for. And just start with those words. The other thing to keep in mind is like commercial holidays like Mother's Day, Father's Day, Black Friday, Prime Day. Also bear in mind any trends that you have seen on social media, things that are being advertised to you on social media. You also want to bear that in mind. So, whatever you are looking or whatever you're being sold as a consumer, you can take that as a starting point and put that in the Amazon search bar. For example, if somebody's looking for a gift, then what would they type? Think like them and just put some words in, and with this app Keywords Everywhere, you would start to see some data. Please comment below and let me know if this video has helped you with your product idea. If you have any questions, let me know and I can answer them in the comments below. So guys, the secret is out of the bag. It's this app, Keywords Everywhere. It gives you really good data, so go ahead and use it and share with me how you get on. I will get on to recording and editing the next video, and hopefully it will be out on time. I will be using Jungle Scout and Helium 10. Don't forget to use the link below and install them. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.